Hi everyone! Banding namin ngayon ng apo ko. Kain sa labas at gumala-gala lang. Thank you for watching guys. Enjoy ang buhay Lola. Ayan yung apo ko, ginawang ketchup yung gravy. Happy Sunday morning! Bye! Thank you for watching guys. Love, love, love. Mwah, mwah, mwah.